Hello, this is Mr. Turk, and today I'm going to show you how to fix backlit photos that are a bit too dark. There's a really handy feature in Photoshop called shadow highlights adjustment, and it basically fixes this problem every time. So, if you shot a group of people during a sunset and they're kind of like trapped in shadow and look like silhouettes, this is a really handy way to sort of like bring out some of the color and some of the mid-tones in the photo. So open up Photoshop and then open up your image. Make sure you know where your image is and what it's called. We're going to go to backlit before. Alright, when your image opens up, you're going to go to Image, Adjustments, and then Shadow Highlights. When you click on that, the Shadow Highlights dialog box will open up, and you can see already there's some basic, adjustments made. You can increase the amount. You can sort of change how much the highlights are affected. If you click on the Show More Options box, that can be really handy. You can adjust the highlights a bit more. You can increase the saturation of the color a bit, maybe mess with the midtones just a little. The white clip and the black clip just determines when true white is and when true black is. That can be really handy if you're seeing a lot of blown out true whites or true blacks, and that'll kind of make it so they are not blown out. This image is pretty good, so we don't really need to do that. When you're all done, click OK. And then you're going to go to File, Save As, and make sure you save this as a JPEG with a different name. You're going to save it as backlit after, and click Save, and you're all done.